This video in partnership with Waypoint Living Spaces.
Hi everyone, this is Chalie Ozdemir. Today I'm here to walk you through with another video with one of my most recently completed project by Bullrun team at Mr. and Mrs. Tran's house.
Hi there, my name is Heather Tran, and we started this project about a year and a half ago. We have lived in this house for about 9 years, and initially we loved everything about it. We loved the kitchen, we loved the colors, and we hit a point where it was time for a redesign and an upgrade. And during COVID, that time hit where we were ready for some new color schemes and a new concept. We started doing interviews with around 9 or 10 different contractors, and we came across Bullrun on House and decided that we'd interview with Charlie and his team.
This house is located in Chalie within Loudoun County, which was built in 2012. Also, this house in a neighborhood filled by colonial-style single-family homes around. I think the beauty of this project is adding 10-foot multi-slide door, which integrated beautiful sunroom with kitchen space. This house had a traditional kitchen layout with dark traditional colors before, and our client wanted to upgrade it to a more modern and open concept kitchen area. And the goal of this project just bring our client's vision into reality by using our expertise. The biggest opportunity to improve and make it perfect, our clients want to add a larger door, and it just brought the idea of adding multi-slide 10-foot big door one end to another. So it just gives us a different aspect of removing everything on one surface and redesign and reconfigure all the rest of the area and all the walls.
Right off the bat, we decided that this team was great for our fit. He had great design concepts in mind. He worked with the styles and the colors that we provided, and he just gave us everything that we felt comfortable with. And then when the pricing quotes came in, we were really happy with where Bullrun came in and decided to pursue this venture. So initially, we came to Charlie with multiple color schemes and additional little features that we wanted to implement, including a new exterior door and a hidden pantry. And from there, Charlie took right off. He designed the kitchen from top to bottom, creating every detail that matched exactly with what we were looking for. And he even found ways to improve areas that we were not expecting and adjust things to make them work for our space.
As a designer, most of the time my inspiration point comes after I start hearing our clients. So I have to understand their needs first, and after that I can improve and add my vision to any design. So that's actually what happened when the time comes to designing this kitchen. Our clients wanted to upgrade that kitchen in a modern way and open concept. And she said she wants to get more of a seating area, and they want to use that sunroom more efficiently. So we came up with that idea of adding the door, and this door extension increased the space in between door and new island area. So it just gives the opportunity of doubling up the storage space on either side of the island. At the end of the island, we provide them a U-shaped seating area, which increase the seating and entertaining area extra. And by using hidden and seamless look walk-in pantry, it just completes the design perfectly, and we create a complete different footprint in their new kitchen with more of a functional way. And the new kitchen style, I will say, in a colonial style house, much modern and getting along with everything in the rest of the house with all the color theme we use in the kitchen.
In the end, the design that came through was fantastic. We loved it. And he then worked with us on materials. And the materials we had in mind were just colors at that point. He was able to find cabinetry and flooring and paints and all the handles that we wanted. And everything fit within the exact elements that we were looking for. The team that came out to work with us on a day-to-day basis was fantastic as well. Everyone was very respectful. They cleaned up every single day at the end of their work, and were very mindful of me being in the house and working at the same time. And it was just a great team to work with.
So we combine two US-made custom cabinetry line in this project. We use base color cappuccino by Yorktown, and this color just allows us to create that welcoming feeling, warm feeling in the room, and it gets along very well with the flooring, cumin color flooring, and we just create the seamless look and better transition in between colors. We use white shaker style upper cabinets by Waypoint to create that seamless look over all this color chart. And also we use black distress painted door style, which is in shaker style as well, for the pantries to increase the contrast in the kitchen area. And as you can see in the video, we also use two different colors quartz countertop. These countertops, the biggest reason we use them in the different colors to smooth out the color transitions in between white, black, and cappuccino color, and at the same time in the back wall where the hood located to make it better match with our backsplash selection.
The process overall was very smooth. Charlie and the team in general worked with any issues we found and made sure that they resolved any problems along the way, down to the tiniest nick in the wall to any changes in custom cabinetry or flooring. And in the end, the product that we ended with was way beyond my expectations. We were able to get a new exterior wall. We were able to get our hidden pantry and even got new stairs and railings that go throughout the house. And we couldn't be happier. Every time we walk into this kitchen, we smile and we still can't believe that we live here and that this was our old house. It just looks like a brand new home.
We use 4x12 subway tile in light gray color to get that smooth transition in between upper and lower level cabinets. And at the same time, we didn't prefer to use that tile in regular brick style to be able to increase the shape difference. We installed the tile in herringbone style in the back wall. We picked 7 inches engineering hardwood, which is being in cumin color. It's a little bit lighter than our cabinetry color selection and gets along very well with cappuccino color. And the biggest reason we picked that color for the main and upper floor because of the color on painting they use in the house. So that color just carries out everything very nicely throughout the whole house. To be able to increase the lighting brightness in the room, of course, adding up this huge door, sliding door, was the biggest upgrade, biggest improvement. But beside that, we add 6-inch can lights, surface flush recessed lighting, and beside that we include some other cabinet lighting throughout the whole kitchen.
I would absolutely recommend Charlie and Bullrun's team to do any house remodel. They are not just kitchen and bath, they are actually whole home, and they've done a fabulous job, and I will definitely recommend them to friends and family, as well as they'll be coming back for a bathroom remodel soon.